YouTube family, what is good, gang? I'd like to welcome y'all right back to another video, man. I appreciate y'all once again for tuning in to me, man. It is crazy cold out here today. It's 20 degrees in Dallas, Texas. Weather is crazy. This whole week has been crazy. Ice everywhere, but thank God I didn't lose my power this time like last time. What we gonna do today, y'all can see in the caption. Ralph Lauren, once again, I think y'all check y'all emails. You may have a 25 or maybe a 30% in your emails. Y'all tune in and see if y'all got that. Today we're gonna head right back up here to Grapevine Mills, which is probably my favorite store to do my Ralph Lauren shopping in. We're gonna try to find something to match up with these sneakers, man. These Air Jordan 6s. We got them as well, as you guys will see in the video. And once again, man, I want y'all feedback on something, because I was sitting up here thinking that I know you guys, y'all support me, man. Once again, I say thank you all. Thank all y'all. I got so much stuff to do for y'all on this giveaway. When we do reach this 10K, I'm all over the place, from money, gear, PlayStation 5, you know, all that stuff. But I definitely will be giving back when we hit this 10K, and it'll be to multiple people. Now, on top of that, y'all let me know what type of videos. This is why I need you guys help in. You guys like when I vlog more, or cause I feel like I'm cutting y'all short when I go straight into the store. Even though y'all do support the videos, I don't want to do my videos that way. I'd rather vlog, ride around, talk to y'all a little more before I do the video, to get you guys I don't know, just to get you guys more content. Want to get closer to my followers. Well, family. I don't like to say subscribers, I don't like to say followers, I like to say family, because anytime you take a time out your day to support me, that is major. You could be doing anything in the world, but you support me, and I truly appreciate y'all for that. That's why I try to respond to everybody, talk to everybody when you see me in public. Come holler at me, any of that, just appreciate y'all support. But I want to give you guys more vlogs, videos today, right now. Come in, let you guys know what I got going on. I don't give a damn if I'm stopping to get something to eat, just more talking to y'all and conversate with you all more. That's what I'm trying to do more this year. And forgive me, because I haven't really been doing it, because when I say life is lifing, it's not even in a bad way, because life can life in a good way, because I have to look around and say, damn, everything I prayed for, I got. So I prayed for this, I prayed for that, I prayed for more opportunities, I prayed for more financial positions, and God has truly blessed me with everything I prayed for. So now what I gotta do as a man, on top of being a better man, I gotta find some type of balance for everything, from financial, well, not financial, because I don't have an issue financially, from working out, well, finance is still everything, recording content, being a better man, being a better father, balance. You can have all this good stuff, bro, but you really still have to find a balance for this stuff. Because you can have 10 things over here that you juggling going along with, but if you don't have it balanced, from 1, 2, 3, 4, you gonna be all over the place. And I'm not saying I have been all over the place. It's just that everything that I've prayed for, God has blessed me with it, and I truly appreciate that. And everything I manifested, God has truly gave it to me. And I once again want to come to y'all and say, man, I really truly, from the bottom of my heart, I appreciate you, everybody that watch my videos, support me, even if you don't comment, even if you don't like, which I want you to comment and like the video, because that also helps me. I appreciate y'all, man. Thank you so much. So let me stop talking so damn much. Let's get into this store, man. We're gonna see what we're going here to find a matchup with these kicks today. And we did order some joints offline too, so yeah, y'all stay tuned for that. So let's get into this store, y'all. So as you guys seen, the store was real dope. Now what we're gonna do is go to home and bust down this package. To my fellas, my big and tall fellas, they were once again doing their inventory, because they did tell me in the store that they were putting out new product. So I just grabbed a few pieces that I thought was dope. So what we're gonna do right now, we're gonna run over here to my jeweler, behind me, one of my jewelers, Solomon Jeweler. Going here, I got some stuff going on with them, check them out. And yeah, man, so stay with me. Your boy needs to grab something to eat too, bro, because I'm starving. Stay with me, we'll go home and we'll break this down and put this outfit together. All right, family, as you can see, we have made it right back to the crib. Now today, we didn't purchase anything out of the store. We did end up actually ordering something online. So let's get to this. Y'all know I love the packages by Ralph Lauren, because the boxes always come with the Ralph Lauren emblem in the inside. So let's get to this hoodie right here. Super dope hoodie. Colorway is crazy. Just some cozy to throw on. Like I say, what stood out to me about this hoodie, I love the cursive, and it was like with the embroidery on it, like it was what's the word I'm looking for? Like it's overlap, Ralph. Like it's overlapped in a red right here at the back, plain, nothing over here, but on the front. This joint definitely stood out to me, and we ended up, this is actually a $200 hoodie that we actually ended up getting for like $119. So shout out to Ralph Lauren. They are running the sale right now online. They still are. Check, you guys, download the Ralph Lauren app as well, because they have other specials running through the app. But yeah, we did get this joint right here for $120. Yeah, so you guys see one more time. The color, like I said, is like a light pink infrared color. You know, so definitely dope. Let me try to join on. You guys tell me what you think about it. All right, and as you guys can see, this is how the hoodie fits. I definitely rock with it because it's long, and I like the cuff at the end of the hoodie that comes on most hoodies. For some reason, this one here feels pretty good, different than the others. And this little wash color on here is definitely dope, giving me like that infrared vibe. Let you guys see how it looks in the back or whatever. Turn around. The cream on the front is dope right here. You guys comment down below. Let me know, man, what y'all think about this hoodie. Just a dope hoodie. Nothing really different. Sizing's the same. So let's get into the sneakers, and you guys tell me what you think about the sneakers with this fit. All right, you guys, so all my sneakerheads, I know you guys know what this box is right here. And if you don't, let's get to it. These are the Air Jordan 6 infrareds. Now, I think they got another name that they're giving them this year. I don't know, y'all. It's too many names for me to keep up with. I know normally they go by infrareds. I'm gonna call them infrared. So you guys let me know what y'all think about these. I ain't gonna go into no sneaker breakdown, but this is different. Normally, I think the last pair that came out, they had reflective across the shoe right here, and now it's not. So that's dope. And then the inside, you guys probably can't see. It says Air Jordan property not for sale. Cause I think they renamed them Salesman or something like that. Like I said, I don't really keep up with the names, y'all. I just try to put the outfits together. So you guys let me know what y'all think about these sneakers, man, along with this hoodie. Or these sneakers, something that you guys gonna be looking forward to cop. Shout out to Aisle 5 in Austin, Texas. This is where I did pick these up from, Team Early. Shout out to them. What else? These will be releasing the 14th. What's that? This Saturday, February 14th. That's this Saturday. Make sure I got you guys the right date on Valentine's Day. So put this joint together with these right here. Yeah, like the infrared or whatever. It's on the sneaker. Thought it kind of matched up with the hoodie. Definitely does. I hope it's not one of those things where the camera is showing y'all it's a little bit off. But to me, it was a perfect match. And yeah, man, once again, like I said, I just want to say thank you guys once again for tuning in to the channel, rocking with your boy. Comment down below, man, if you like the hoodie, if you're rocking with the 6s. If y'all are getting the 6s, let me know if y'all are getting them. Some people may not, because they may still have their old pair. Or like you guys even like Air Jordan 6s. Me, I always liked the 6s. They was cool, because I always move my lace lock. Sometimes I'll put it in the middle, sometimes I'll put it at the bottom, just depending what I do. I normally get to that once I start unlacing the shoe. So yes, y'all. So what else before I get out of here? Oh, if you haven't already, make sure you sub to the channel, y'all. We're almost there. We're this close, and I need y'all help. 10,000 subs is on the way. I'm hoping we get that this year with the help of you guys. We would definitely get that this year. And if you haven't already, go ahead, go over to my TikTok, that is Scotty_Nino, as well as my Instagram, Scotty_Nino. Go ahead and follow you, boy. DM me, whatever. We can talk about clothes, fashion, whatever. Now, over on TikTok, I will be styling this instead of just showing you guys the sneaker and the hoodie. I'll put everything on from the jeans to the sneaker, the hoodie, accessories, and everything like that. So once again, man, I say this again to all of you. I really, truly appreciate y'all for rocking with your boy. Until the next video, I'm out.
Riding in the car, you probably can't even pronounce. Shawty got that ass, my tracks will truly make it bounce. Home run, hit her for the hometown. In the long run, killing with my own sound. Niggas vibes are out because I'm on now. Way up and I stay up like a drone now. Can't say sorry if I hit you with the mix. It's probably cause you hit me with the switch. Hey, K-Man clubbing every time we hit the Ville. Tropicana twister, baby girl, just wanna